Have you ever been to China? Hi. I'm KARL, World Rider. You know, for over a decade I've been traveling the world overland, alone, on my motorcycle. A few years ago I had the chance to ride China, north to south, from the Great Wall all the way to the Vietnamese border. Except that time, I wasn't alone. A film crew was following me. That's right, for over a month, we explored China. This footage of our month-long journey through China has never been edited, produced, distributed, or released. We're gonna change that. I've reconnected with my friends. We're gonna change that. I've reconnected with my friends that I journeyed all through China with, and we are in post-production right now, and we're gonna release a full-length film later this summer. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the little red button down there and that bell so you can be notified when we release this film. For now, I'm going to show you a little bit of teaser. This is China. Stay tuned for summer for the full episode. Okay.
And now
cool.
Listen, now we're recording our conversation, Alan.
Let's go. I'm in this dusty little town. I've got to get to somebody who can help me. I've taken apart the bike, looking at the cooling system, just wondering exactly what might have happened. I knew it!
I'm going to go as fast as I can. Is it? Yeah. Is it? Yeah. Straight down this road.
Straight down where the cow is, and that's about where you'll stop.
Deal.
Okay?
Yep.
Got Pan, who's the director of Beyond Borders right here, and we are going to see for the first time my motorcycle since Ishmael from Blue Sea took it away in the old Blue Sea van. And oh my goodness, here it is. This is a pretty amazing reunion here. So here we are at Blue Sea. We're gonna get the motorcycle going. Hopefully we can we'll roll it off this rack. We'll charge up the battery. We're gonna put air in the tires, and we'll see if this thing will run. Hey, it's amazing what's happened right here, because it's probably been more than 6 months since Panioti Yanitsis has been in Encinitas.
You know, we've had quite the last 6 months. We've come back here in beautiful Encinitas, California. See the surf behind me, the beautiful sun, clear blue skies, and we're just trying to prepare ourselves for the journey ahead.
It's a beautiful thing, man. We've got docked back. We're ready to go beyond borders. is Alan. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.